Wait right here until they fly away. I'm putting this shit on YouTube, on my channel. I'm filming it. Birds eating dog food. Only birds in LA I know are so fat they can't hardly fly because they eat up all my dog's food. They all up in his bowl now. And my dog just lets them eat it. I caught that one flying into the bowl. There's two of them in it. One on the ground trying to get his little fat self up there. They're so fat they can hardly fly.
That one ain't got out the bowl yet.
No, he's still eating. I keep catching them flying into the bowl. There they go. He finally made it up there, the fatty. They got the, oh, there they go. Up, still one on the bowl. Ain't never seen birds in my life that'll eat dog food.
I haven't heard.
Huh?
I haven't heard.
You ain't either, Mama?
No, Lord. Look, I'm down in the bowl.
And then they can't hardly fly because they so fat. And you see them trying to pick up and fly after they done ate the dog food. They can't hardly move. Up. We got a couple on the ground that can't get up. Oh, there they all go again, attacking the dog food bowl, the water bowl. I have my own army of birds.